Club. We're back down in Almont, Colorado. 6:42 a.m. Trying to find some light here because the sun's not even up right now. Got down here last night, did a little bit of fishing, fell in the water as per usual, caught some fish, but was in the fly shop chatting it up with the guy behind the desk. He was saying there might be some competition on the water. So of course my brain's like, let's get up at 4:30 in the morning. That makes a lot of sense. So here I am down in Almont, Colorado, getting ready to get out on the water, fish the Taylor. Well, here we go. ATL Fly Fishing Club. Wow, how you doing? Ooh. Haven't done this in a minute. ATL Fly Fishing Club, Almont, Colorado, fly fishing the Taylor River. Let's get it. Bang. So here we are out on the river, out on the Taylor. As you can see, lots of competition out here. Good thing I got up at 4:30 in the morning. I caught some really nice fish in this stretch last time I was here. Water levels are way different, but I see some runs that look pretty good. So we're gonna get after it. I got the new Orvis Recon rod that my neighbor hooked me up with. He's an Orvis rep, good dude. Shout out Doug. Hopefully I'll make him proud. Hopefully I won't break this rod. But let's see what we can get into. Taylor River, Almont, Colorado. Let's get it. Quick report here from the Taylor. The river rushing in the background. I know, very dramatic. Just lost an 18-inch brown. Hooked up, surprise hookup. Fought her, took me downstream. Spit the hook as I was bending down with the net. So I got one little brown in the net. So we're gonna stay at it. It's been a couple hours. The morning was slow. They weren't moving around. Also saw some salmon over here feeding. We have salmon down here that I believe come out of the reservoir. But I'm not really into that. They're at the end of their life cycle, so I tend to leave those guys alone. So we're gonna get back to it, see if we can't get another big, fat, juicy brown in the net. So I was about to move on to my next stop, and I decided to fish one of the riffles on the way out that I liked and I'd had success with in the past. We came up with a little brown. This little brown took the stonefly, get him back in the net here. So yeah, that's two in the net and one massive fish lost. Beautiful day here on the Taylor River. Bang. We fled out the back door, we ran towards the city lights. Oh, the city lights. Still not used to all this concrete. Abandoned cars in the outskirts where we sit and eat. We sleep in the backseat. Oh. Got another nice brown here. Let's let him go. There he goes. Took the midge. Zebra midge. Very excited about this one. Nice brown. It's been browns all day long. This makes up for the big one that I lost earlier. There you go. Brown Town. Taking him down. So that brown was sitting right at the bottom of this run right here. And I was fishing my way downstream, walking with my drift, and boom, I hooked up and it was on. That one was a little smaller than the one earlier today. The one earlier today was 18, 19 inches. That one was probably about 14 inches. But I'm satisfied. I feel like I got back what I lost downstream a bit. So it never gets old, does it? I've been doing this 25 years. It never gets old, and you always feel like a kid, and you always get the shakes. And man, what a good time. What a beautiful day. The sun's out. The fish are eating. Oh, what a day down here on the Taylor River. #blessed. So we're gonna wrap this one up real quick here as we got some weather coming in. I'm up above the Taylor Reservoir right here, and this was an easy one to think about what this video was about. That clip where I was really excited about the brown trout, my hands were shaking, and I was like, I've been doing this for years, but I still love it. Find something in your life that the last time you did it was as good as the first time you did it. Now, I'm not talking about going out and smoking crack or doing meth or anything like that, but find something that is just as exciting every time you do it. For me, that's fishing. Maybe it's hunting, maybe it's writing, maybe it's music. Whatever it is for you, go out, find that, go do that, have a lot of fun, enjoy it. This was a great day fishing in the Taylor River. Had a great time wrapping it up. Gonna go run back to the car because we're getting some rain here. I'm a little cold, I don't have my jacket on, but anyway, about that life. The ATL Fly Fishing Club was good to be back. I'm out.